Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluentx. It's really good to have you with us today.
Yes, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us for another calm and natural English conversation.
Today's topic is something we talk about almost every single day. Your plans.
Plans for today, plans for tomorrow, plans for the weekend, plans for the future.
Exactly. Talking about plans is one of the most common things people do in English conversations.
But for many English learners, it can feel confusing. They're not sure which tense to use, or how much detail to give, or how to sound natural.
That's why today's episode is important. We're going to help you talk about your plans simply, clearly, and confidently, without overthinking.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through these calm, podcast-style conversations, feel free to like this video and subscribe. It quietly supports the Fluentx community.
All right, let's begin. Sarah, when someone asks you, "What are your plans?" what does that question really mean?
It's a very open question. It can mean plans for later today, for the weekend, or even for the future.
Yes, and usually people are not looking for something complicated. They just want to know what you're thinking of doing.
Exactly. Talking about plans is about sharing intention, not certainty.
That's an important point. Plans can change, and that's completely normal.
Let's start with very simple, natural sentences. You can say, I have plans today. I'm free later. I don't have any plans. I'm planning to rest. I might go out.
These sentences are extremely common in everyday English.
And notice how relaxed they sound. No pressure, no perfect future needed.
Let's start with plans for today. You can say, I'm working today. I'm meeting a friend later. I'm planning to stay home. I might watch a movie. I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet is a very useful sentence. It's honest and very natural. Many learners worry about grammar, especially going to. But you can use it very simply. For example, I'm going to relax today. I'm going to meet a friend. I'm going to stay home.
Short and simple is best. Plans are often uncertain, so words like might and maybe are very useful. You can say, I might go out later. Maybe I'll watch a movie. I'm not sure, but I might rest.
These words make your English sound very natural and realistic.
Let's show how this sounds in a real conversation.
Okay.
So, Sarah, what are your plans for today?
I don't have anything big planned. I might stay home and relax.
That sounds completely natural.
Many people think they need exciting plans, but having no plans is very normal. You can say, I don't have any plans yet. I'm keeping it open. I'm just going to take it easy.
All of these sound confident and relaxed. Plans change all the time. You can say, my plans changed. I decided to do something else. I canceled my plans. I made new plans.
Very natural and very common. When people ask about your plans, they're usually just trying to connect.
Yes, it's not an interview, it's a friendly question.
Understanding this removes a lot of pressure. So far, we've learned how to talk about plans simply, talk about today's plans, use going to, might, and maybe, talk about having no plans, talk about changing plans.
In the next part, we'll talk about plans for the weekend and near future, and how to sound natural when people ask follow-up questions.
Let's continue there.
All right, let's continue. In the first part, we talked about plans in general and plans for today. Now let's move forward and talk about plans for the weekend and the near future.
Yes, this is one of the most common conversation topics in everyday English. People often ask things like, what are your plans for the weekend? Or,
Do you have anything planned for next week?
And again, the good news is your answer doesn't need to be perfect or impressive. It just needs to be natural.
Let's start with weekend plans. Here are very common natural sentences. I'm planning to relax this weekend. I'm meeting some friends. I'm staying at home. I don't have anything special planned. I might go out if I feel like it.
Notice how flexible these sentences are. They don't sound fixed or stressful. Native speakers often use the present continuous to talk about plans. For example, I'm meeting a friend on Saturday. I'm working this weekend. I'm visiting my family.
This tense sounds very natural and confident when the plan is fairly certain. Many plans are not fixed, so it's very natural to say, I'm thinking about going out. I might visit my parents. I haven't decided yet. I'll see how I feel.
I'll see how I feel is extremely natural English. It means you'll decide later. Let's show how this sounds in a real conversation.
Okay.
So, Sarah, what are your plans for the weekend?
I don't have anything big planned. I'm thinking about staying home and relaxing. I might meet a friend if I feel like going out.
That sounds relaxed and confident, exactly how real people speak.
Now let's talk about plans for next week. You can say, I have a busy week ahead. I'm starting a new project next week. I'm traveling for work. I don't have much planned.
You can also keep it very simple. I'll be working most of the week. I'll be pretty busy. I'm taking things day by day. Many learners worry about will, but you can use it simply. For example, I'll probably stay home. I'll see my family. I'll let you know. I'll decide later.
Probably and later make your English sound natural and realistic. Sometimes people ask about future plans in a very general way. They might say, any plans coming up? Or, what's next for you?
You don't need a big answer. You can say, nothing specific at the moment. I'm focusing on work right now. I'm taking things one step at a time. I'm still figuring things out.
These answers sound calm and mature.
Here are very natural phrases for uncertain plans. I'm hoping to. I'm planning to. I might. I'm considering.
For example, I'm hoping to travel later this year. I'm considering taking a short break. I might change my plans. Using flexible language makes you sound more natural and relaxed.
It also removes pressure from the conversation. You don't sound rushed or stressed. Let's do a slightly longer example.
Sure.
So, do you have any plans for the next few weeks?
I'll be pretty busy with work, but I'm hoping to take a short break soon. Nothing is fixed yet. I'll see how things go.
That sounds very natural.
Sometimes plans involve invitations. You can say, I don't think I can this time. I already have plans. I might have to pass. Maybe another time.
These sentences are polite and very common.
In this part, we learned how to talk about weekend plans, talk about next week plans, use present continuous and will naturally, talk about flexible and uncertain plans, answer future questions calmly, and sound relaxed and confident.
In the next part, we'll talk about making plans with other people, accepting and refusing plans, and keeping conversations natural and polite.
Let's continue there.
All right, let's continue. In this part, we're going to talk about something very important, making plans with other people.
Yes, because in real life, plans often involve friends, family, coworkers, or classmates, and many English learners feel nervous in these situations.
They worry about how to invite someone, how to accept plans politely, or how to say no without sounding rude.
So let's make this easy and natural. Let's start with inviting someone. Here are very natural ways to invite someone in English. Do you want to hang out this weekend? Would you like to grab coffee sometime? Are you free on Saturday? Do you want to do something later? Are you doing anything this evening?
These invitations sound friendly and relaxed, not formal. Now, let's talk about accepting plans. You can say, "That sounds great. I'd love to. Sure, that works for me. Yes, I'm free. I'd be happy to join."
These responses sound positive and confident.
Let's show a short example.
Okay.
Are you free this Saturday?
Yes, I am. That sounds great.
Simple, clear, and natural.
Now let's talk about something many learners struggle with, saying no politely.
Saying no does not have to be uncomfortable. You just need soft language. Here are polite and natural ways to say no. "I don't think I can this time. I already have plans. I'm not free that day. I might have to pass. I can't make it, but thanks for asking."
Adding, "but thanks for asking," sounds very polite. If you want to be extra friendly, you can add, "maybe another time. Let's do it some other day. Hopefully next time."
These phrases show interest without commitment. Let's show how this sounds.
Sure.
Do you want to go out tonight?
I don't think I can tonight, but maybe another time.
That sounds respectful and kind. Plans change all the time. You can say, "Something came up. I need to change my plans. Can we reschedule? I won't be able to make it after all."
These sentences are very common and honest. When plans involve more people, you can say, "We're planning to meet this weekend. A few of us are getting together. We're thinking about going out. We haven't decided yet."
Again, flexible language sounds natural. Let's do a longer example.
Okay.
So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. Why?
A few of us are thinking about going out on Saturday. Would you like to join?
That sounds nice. Let me check my schedule, but I think I'm free.
Great. Let me know.
Perfectly natural. Sometimes you don't want to commit immediately. You can say, "I'm not sure yet. Let me think about it. I'll let you know. I need to check first."
These are extremely useful phrases.
Remember, plans are not promises.
It's okay to be flexible. Native speakers are flexible all the time.
In this part, we learned how to invite someone naturally, accept plans politely, say no without sounding rude, change plans calmly, talk about group plans, and keep conversations friendly and relaxed.
In the final part, we'll bring everything together: storytelling, vocabulary recap.
Let's move to the last part.
All right, Sarah, now it's time to gently bring everything together. We've talked about daily plans, weekend plans, future plans, and making plans with others. Now, let's focus on how all of this comes together in real, natural storytelling.
Yes, because when people ask about your plans, they're not testing your English. They're just having a conversation.
And good conversations are calm, simple, and human.
Talking about your plans doesn't mean listing everything. A natural answer usually has 3 parts. First, a general idea. Second, 1 or 2 details. Third, flexibility or feeling.
That's all you need. Here's a very natural example. "I don't have anything big planned. I'm thinking about staying home and relaxing. I'll see how I feel."
That sounds relaxed and confident. Here's another one. "This weekend, I'm meeting a friend on Saturday. On Sunday, I'm planning to rest and prepare for the week. Nothing too busy."
Perfect. Simple, clear, and natural. When talking about future plans, you can keep it open. For example, "I'll be pretty busy with work for the next few weeks, but I'm hoping to take a short break soon."
That sounds thoughtful and calm. Many people think uncertainty sounds weak, but it doesn't. You can say, "I'm not sure yet. I'm still deciding. I'll figure it out later. I'm taking things one step at a time."
These sentences sound mature and realistic. Let's give listeners one full, natural example.
Okay.
So do you have any plans coming up?
Nothing specific right now. I'm focusing on work this week, and this weekend I might just relax. I'll see how things go.
That sounds completely natural.
Let's softly recap some useful expressions we used today. I'm planning to, I might, I'm thinking about, I'm not sure yet. I'll see how it goes. I don't have anything planned. I already have plans. I'll let you know. Maybe another time. I'm hoping to.
These phrases will help you in real conversations every day.
Remember, talking about plans is not about perfect grammar.
It's about being clear, relaxed, and honest.
Short sentences are powerful. Calm answers sound confident.
So today we learned how to talk about your plans simply, talk about today's plans and weekend plans, talk about future plans without pressure, use going to, will, and might naturally, make plans with other people, accept and refuse plans politely, change plans calmly, tell short plan stories, and sound confident and relaxed.
You now have everything you need to talk about your plans in English.
Before we finish today's episode, we'd love to hear from you. Here's our question for you. What plans are you looking forward to right now?
Even one sentence is perfect. We read every comment, and we truly enjoy hearing from you.
If this episode helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It quietly supports the Fluentx community.
And if you enjoy calm, natural English conversations like this, feel free to subscribe.
Take care of yourself, stay relaxed, and enjoy whatever plans you have ahead.
We'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.